Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 2.2. The information is still the same. We have this information about the relationship between the price of milk in rands per 5-liter container and then the number of 5-liter containers of milk sold. Right, determine the equation of the least squares regression line for the data. So what do we do here? The equation of the regression line is equal to y is equal to what? It's in the form y is equal to a plus bx. And then we don't need to stress because we're finding our a and b by using what? A calculator. Okay, let me just take you to the part where we're going to be using the calculator to find a and b. This is how you find the equation of the regression line using the calculator. So you go to mode, press test there. In the other calculators, maybe on number 2. So here is 3, so we press 3. And then we want the equation of the regression line. So we enter 2 here. We say is a plus bx. So we enter 2. Right, and then we enter the values. So be careful here. We have the x values and the y values. So the x values is the price of milk in rands, and then the y values is the number of 5-liter containers. Okay, now let's start by entering the values of x. It's 26, then equals 32. The next one equals, or if you want, you can enter the x value and the y value, x value and y value at the same time. Still fine, but make sure that the values correspond. Like 26 will go with 48, 32 will go with 30, 36 will go with 26, like that. Okay, right, so it entered 26, 32, 36, goes on like that. Right, we're done with the x values. Let's go back and enter the y values. So here 26 goes with 48, 32 goes with 30, 36 goes with 26. Okay, it goes on like that. And the last one, 30 goes with 33. Press AC, Shift 1. Then we want the regression line, which is number 5 there. And then which value do we want? We want to start with A. Okay, it's option 1. Okay, so you see that our A is 90,4782 and so on. Okay, and then we want to get B now. How do we go back? You go back to Shift, then 1. See that? Okay, and then you can go back to the regression line, number 5, and then you select 2 for B there. Okay, you don't need to re-enter the information. You just go to Shift and then press 1. Then we select B, which is option 2, and then equals. You see that? Negative 1,7333. Okay, that's how we use the calculator to find the equation of the regression line. We've managed to find our A and B. We said from the calculator, A is equal to 90,478, goes on, and then which is approximately 90,48. At B, we found that B is equal to negative 1,773, and then which is approximately negative 1,77. So the equation of the regression line is y is equal to 90,48 minus 1,77x. That's the equation there. Okay, so we'll meet when we're doing question 2.3.